Welcome to SELFX, a product of Sirixo Software Technologies Private Limited. Let's have a walk through about menu management system. First, we have overview. Here we can view the total categories, items present. We can translate to multiple languages as well. And we have quick links to other modules of menu management. Then we have categories where we can organize the menu items and we can add additional charges if applicable from here as well, which will be applied to all the items of that category. Next, we have menu items, which is the actual menu list. We can decide the prices, categories, available timings of the menu items from here. Then we have modifiers, through which we can separate the variations of the same menu item and have different prices, etc. through size or any other attributes. From upselling, we can promote the products which will appear to the customer as suggestions. From time slots, we can add the working or available timings through which we can set the availability of our products. Next, we go to imports and exports through which we can upload or download the menus in bulk.